Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove things from your header. So once you are here on your page, if you want to remove these pages, you will need to go website and pages. And from here you can just delete them or click on this gear icon and scroll down. So this is your home page and it's not available to do this, but for example, a gallery, you can just disable it and or delete the page and just save. And now as you can see, there is no gallery page. The same goes with every single one of those, but home page cannot be disabled. Now these icons, so you want to click edit and edit side header. Now you want to click on these, for example, social links, and click edit. And here you can see the content, but we want to edit it. You can either delete it or make them way smaller. And basically that's how you can edit. Or you just basically click on, for example, Instagram and do not display this icon. You go back and now as you can see, there's no icon anymore. So just like that, you can disable them. And now about the site title and logo. Here, as you can see, is the site title. And this, as you can see, cannot be empty. So you still will need to write something down. But I don't know, maybe this one, or add a logo. Let's see how it looks when we add a logo. So now, as you can see, if we add this space button, there's nothing there, and you can make this logo way smaller, just like so, and then it will not be that visible. So you can actually just upload a photo of your background. For example, if your background right there is just black, you can just upload a black square photo like a logo image, and then it will just be black and no site title will be seen. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.